morning, friends. Good morning, friends. In previous lecture, we have discussed the nuclear reactor basic parts. Now, nuclear power plant basic parts. Now, today we are going to discuss here nuclear reactor. So, main parts of reactor core, moderator, control rods, coolant, reflector, thermal shielding. See here, this is control rod. Coolant out from here, reactor vessel outside, thermal shield here, biological shield outside, core of solid phase element, this is, water used as a coolant and neutron mode irrigator, this is, coolant in, like that. So, see here, reactor vessel, control rod, drive mechanism, reactor vessel head, reactor coolant outlet nozzle, reactor vessel, rear assembly, neutron reflector, core barrel, reactor coolant inlet nozzle, rod cluster control, guide tube. This is actual photograph of nuclear reactor, nuclear fuel. We can see here. Fuel rod clad with stainless steel, zirconium, or by aluminum to prevent oxidation of uranium. See here. See, moderator reduce the speed of neutron. Function of moderator to reduce speed of neutron. Lighter water, deuterium or heavy water, D2O, graphite barium, enriched uranium can work on slow as well as fast neutrons, so don't need moderator, but enriching cost is more. Water as a coolant and moderator flow between fuel rods. Deuterium is the best moderating rate is 12,000. H2O is the 72 and carbon is 170. So control rods, charge tube, control rod, radiation shielding, pressure vessel, graphite moderator, fuel rods, hot gases duct, steam, heat exchanger, water circulator, cool gas duct, gas circulator. So reflector, good absorber or good reflector. So moderator are used as a reflector. Reactor, coolant tube, COA, hydrogen atmosphere, insulator neutron reflector, fair powder, reaction tube. Trace holding non-fissile hydrogen absorbing material, thermal control for hydrogen absorbing material. Coolant, steam to turbine, water spray, pressurizer, heater, feed water, steam generator, control rod, primary coolant pump, emergency core cooling system, reactor pressure vessel. Multiple layer to safety, 45 inches steel reinforced concrete, 1 4-inch steel liner, 36-inch concrete shielding, 80-inch steel reactor vessel, nuclear fuel assembly. Safety in engineering into reactor design, container, containment vessel, 1.5-inch thick steel, shared building wall, 3 foot thick reinforced concrete, dry well wall, 5 feet thick reinforced concrete, bioshed, 4 feet thick red concrete with 1.5-inch thick steel lining inside and outside. Bioshed. Reactor vessel, 4 to 8-inch thick steel. Reactor fuel, bare wall, 1.5 feet thick concrete. Reactor classification based on neutron energy. Thermal neutron reactors, light water moderator and heavy water moderator, boiling waters and pressurized water research, graphite moderator, gas cooled, water cooled, fast neutron reactor, liquid metal and cooled. Based on fuel use, neutron uranium, enriched uranium. Based on coolant use, water cooled, heavy water cooled, liquid metal, gas cooled. Based on moderator use, water and heavy water reactor, graphite reactor, barium reactor. Based on types of core used, homogeneous reactor, heterogeneous reactor. Types of nuclear reactor power plant, thermal reactor, faster breeder reactor, pressurized water reactor, boiling water reactor, the gas cooled reactor, high temperature gas cooled reactor, pressurized heavy water reactor, fast breeder reactor, liquid metal fast breeder reactor, gas cooled fast breeder reactor. So enrich uranium 150 bar pressure, water coolant and moderator. Pressurized water reactor we can see here. The interior of the reactor is maintained to high pressure to prevent water from boiling. Despite, despite its high temperature, a steam generator produces steam using water other than the water flowing inside the reactor. We can see here pressurized water reactor. A pressurizer is used to maintain the reactor water at a constant high pressure, ensuring that it does not boil. Now see here, control rods are inserted from above. The water reactor reach high temperatures and high pressure as it flows between the fuel rods. The high temperature and high pressure water is introduced to a steam generator. The water on turbine side is heated to produce steam, which turn the turbine and generator to generate electricity. Advantage: compact reactor, water for both coolant and moderators, fission product in reactor only. Disadvantage: high pressure, high cost, low efficiency as a saturated steam generated in secondary circuit. Need shading in primary circuit. Serve corrosion need to shut down for fuel charging. Fuel reprocessing is difficult due to radiations. Boiling water reactor, reactor pressure vessel. See total power plant layout. This is boiling water reactor. BWR use enriched uranium as a fuel. No need to of heat exchange or direct convert of water into the steam. So it is called direct cycle boiling water reactor power plant. Tarapur power plant is BWR. Advantage: no need heat exchange, so cheap, so low pressure, so less costly. Disadvantage: possibility of radioactive containment of steam turbine. Sudden change in load cannot be met. System required extensive safety device against radioactive radiation, which is costly. Gas cooled reactor. Advantage of gas cooled reactor: steel line, concrete, pressurized vessel, control rods, electricity to grid, electricity generator, steam, pump water, cold water, warm water, pump. Gas cooled reactor, example CO2 inserted as coolant and graphite as a moderator, natural uranium as a fuel, coolant pressure is 7 bar and temperature is 336 Celsius in helium. Instead as a coolant and graphite as a moderator 50 bar to 30 bar and temperature 700 degree to 800 degree Celsius called high temperature gas cooled reactor. This is CANDU, cadmium, deuterium, uranium reactor. We can see here solid food liquid metal reactor. Liquid metal cooled fast breeder reactor. We can see here. See, this is steam generator, total power plant, nuclear power plant, steam generator, control rods, uranium fuel, reactor vessel, containment building. This is steam lines, turbines, generators, pump, condenser, cooling water, transformer, warm water inlet, cooling tower, water vapor, pump, cold water basin, electricity. So Daulat Singh Kothari, Meg, Meghnad Saha, Homi J. Bhabha, and R.S. Kishan conducted pioneering research in nuclear physics in Europe during the 1930s. In the same year, the Sri Dorabji Tata Trust sanctioned funds for installing a cyclotron at the University of Kolkata, but various difficulties like related to the war delayed the project. In 1944, Homi J. Baba, distinguished nuclear physicist who had established a researcher school at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, wrote a letter to his distant cousin J.R.D. Tata, the chairman of Tata Group. He requested funds to establish a research institute of fundamental physics with special reference to cosmic rays and nuclear physics. The Tata Institute of Fundamental Research was inaugurated in Mumbai the following year. Atomic bombing of Hiroshima in August 1945, R.S. Kishan and nuclear physics who had studied under Norman Feather and John Cockcroft and who recognized the massive energy generating potential of uranium observe if the tremendous energy released from atomic explosions is made available to drive machinery. It will bring about industrial revolution for reaching character. Running power plant, power station, operator, state type units, total capacity. This is current running power stations. Kaiga, NPCIL, Karnataka, PHWR, pressurized water reactor units 220 into 4, 880 megawatt. Kakrappa, like that in Madras, in Nagawa, Rajasthan, Tarapur, NPCL, Maharashtra, BWR. This is 14 megawatt, 1400 megawatt in Tarapur in our Maharashtra. After Kakrapur Unit 3 and 4, NPCL, Gujarat, PHWR 7 into 2, 1400 megawatt. Now under construction, Kudanpuram, NPCIL, Tamil Nadu, 1000 into 2, 2000 in 2023. Madras, 5 into 1, 5 megawatt, 500 megawatt. In Rajasthan, Gorakhpur, 700 into 2, 1400 megawatt. Power station, Jaitapur, Powada, Powuri, Gorakhpur, Bhimapur, Mai, Kaiga, Chutakka, Madras. See here, this is according to Jaitpur power station in Jaitpur, Sora 1615 to 6, 9900 megawatt, and Powada 1100 into 6, 6600 megawatt. Like that, this is nuclear power generation, existing nuclear power plant and planned nuclear power plant we can see here. So Kundapuram nuclear power plant, Odoranoi, water power reactor in series, pressurized water reactor. So Tarapur Atomic Power Station we can see here. This is the Tarapur Atomic Power Station. Nuclear digester, the Chernobyl digester, also referred as a accident, was catastrophic nuclear accident. It occurred on 25-26 April 1986 in the number 4 light water graphite moderator reactor at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant near now abandoned town Pripyat, Pripyat in northern Ukrainian Socialist Republic, Soviet Union, approximately 104 kilometers north of Kiev, causes inadvertent explosion of power during emergency shutdown of reactor while undergoing power failure test. Death 31 direct, 15 established indirect death up to 2011. This is photograph. We can see Fukushima Daiichi nuclear digester, date 11 March 2011, location Okuma, Fukushima Prefecture, Japan. Coordinates given, outcomes INES level 7, date 1 cancer death attributed to radiation exposure by government panel. Non-fatal injuries 16 with physical injury due to hydrogen explosion. A May 2012 United Nations Committee report state that none of the 6 Fukushima workers who had died, died since the tsunami had died from radiation exposure. According to a 2012 Yomiuri Shimbun survey, 573 deaths have been certified as a disaster related by 13 municipalities affected by the Fukushima nuclear disaster. Threat of proliferations, North Korea part of Axis Evil, 2003 admission of nuclear weapons, Kim Jong-un justifies nuke as a defense against the US other potential threats. Decline of nuclear power, the public began growing fearful of possible meltdown, especially after disaster at Three Mile Island. Nearly 2 by 3 of all orders for new plant were cancelled in the late 1917. No new plant having been built up in the past 25 years. In this way, we have studied the nuclear power plant. So, we have completed our third unit here. So any doubt, any queries, please ask me. So today we have stopped here.